Fargo Mayor Tim Mahoney and West Fargo City Commission President Bernie Dardis says some people are not following state orders meant to slow the spread of the coronavirus, and they may take further steps, such as closing parts of city parks. While it sounds like a stay-at-home order, both officials say it's not. However, Mayor Mahoney was upset to see 10 people playing basketball last week at a Fargo park. City officials say they want people to enjoy the parks, but they say they will be monitoring activity to make sure people are following social distancing guidelines.
Let me be clear. This is not a shelter-in-place order. This is not a mass business closure. This is an order requiring our people to stay smart by staying home whenever possible to stop the spread and to save lives.
West Fargo police say the stay-at-home directive is not something they will be enforcing. Mayor Mahoney and Fargo police say if a group doesn't disperse after a verbal warning, they could wind up facing up to a $1,000 fine. In North Dakota, the number of positive cases has reached 237. Over 7,700 people have now been tested in the state. There are 18 patients currently hospitalized, and there have been 4 deaths. Cass County has the most positive cases in the state with 70. 82 people are now listed as recovered. In Minnesota, there are now over 1,000 positive coronavirus cases. An additional 83 cases were confirmed yesterday. Another 4 people have died from the virus, bringing the state total of deaths to 34. All 4 of those deaths were people at long-term care facilities. Of the 120 patients currently hospitalized, there are 64 people in the ICU. 549 patients no longer need to be isolated, and Minnesotans could expect the state's stay-at-home order to be extended today. Governor Walz hinted to reporters that the order will likely stay in place, but hopefully with fewer restrictions so more people can get back to work without compromising anyone's safety. He also added that he will likely be adding a work-in-progress plan in the coming weeks.